Hello everyone, and this is the final recording on attribute charts and called U chart. And the U chart is similar to C chart, with only difference is that n is greater than 1. If you remember the sample size, what it means is that number of parts in sample. Okay, that was 1 for C chart, and that is now n is greater than 1 for U chart. Okay, that's what is the only difference. We have the U value, which is C by n, and then if you remember, C was the number of defects. You have to be very careful. It is not defective products. For defective products, we use the NP chart, P chart, and whatever. Here we check for the defects, not defective product. The product can be used, but it has some defects. And this is the center line, upper control limit, and lower control limit. This is how we build the chart. And we have a simple question here, and I will use the formula for that question. So we have plastic fittings, and then it's used to connect different pipeline parts. So we check those parts for non-conformities like mismatching diameters, if they are deformed, and then the threads are not good, there are changes in the color, etc. And then we show them as here. So you see here the C is the number of defects, and N is 350. What it means is that each sample contains 350 plastic fittings. Okay, and these are the sample number, sample 1 up to sample 16. The question is that we have to plot the U chart and see how it looks like. Okay, let's go to our Excel and then U chart, and these are the values. So first I will start with the U value, and then U value is the C by N, number of defects over the total number of the parts, and then that's all. Then the U bar value will be equal to the average of these U values. Okay, or you can use the formula here, add the all C's and then divide by the N's. So I will just show you here, U bar, and that's equal to then sum of all C's, and then divide by the sum of all N's. As you can see, they are the same. That's the reason that you can use the easy one or the hard one. And this is the center line. I will just add it here. That is U bar is equal to this one, and then F4, and this is our center line. Okay, and then upper control limit will be equal to the U bar, this one, plus 3 times the square root of the U bar divided by the square root of the N, and the value of N is here 350. Okay, so I can add N here 350, and then I go here and I can select that N as here, and then I need to make all of them as a dollar sign here, dollar sign, and then dollar sign. Okay, this will be my upper control limit. The lower control limit is similar formula with just negative sign. I'll just copy it here, and I will have the negative sign here. Okay, and then this is the lower control limit. And I should say that, as I said in the previous recordings, if LCL comes less than 0, and you have to set to 0, because we cannot have negative defects. So that's the reason I will make it as 0, and then Okay, time to plot it. So we will insert the plot and then select the data. So I will add my x values, which are the sample numbers, and then I will add my y values, which are the u values. Okay, and then I will add my upper control limit. I will add my lower control limit, and then I will add my center line, the u bar value. Sorry, add the y values and then center line. Okay, and then let's format it and see if there is any format data series, and I will add a line here, and this one a line, and this one a line. Okay. So let's copy and paste it to Excel. So I will just check the new slide. Okay, and see if there are any problems here. So if I just check it, and this one is my upper control limit, this one is my lower control limit, and this one is the u bar, and these are just the u values. As you can see, the random distribution of values of u values, as you can see, it is random. Some is up, some is down. Let me just show you. Some up, some down. Some is up, some is down. We don't see any out of control values, and then everything looks okay. And this chart shows the distribution of the defects. So how many defects do we have per the manufactured products, and it looks like the defects are under control. So let me add it. So defects look under control. Yeah. That is the end of the attribute charts. Thanks for watching.